Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Chainlink's token link jumped 8% to $13.06 after Grayscale's new Chainlink ETF trading under the ticker GLNK listed on NYSE Arca. Well, this is the first US ETF dedicated to tracking Link, giving investors regulated access to Chainlink through standard brokerage accounts. Well, Chainlink powers a leading decentralized Oracle network that brings real-world data like prices, weather, and events into blockchain applications. The network also supports cross-chain communication for DeFi, NFTs, and gaming. Although GLNK holds Link on behalf of investors, it does not fall under the Investment Company Act of 1940. XRP ETFs have become the second fastest crypto products to cross $800 million in inflows, beating Ethereum and Solana. Despite launching 2 weeks after Solana ETFs, XRP products have now reached $824 million after just 13 trading days. Well, Bitcoin achieved this mark in 2 days and Ethereum in about 95 days. Canary Capital's XRPC ETF led with $243 million on launch day, followed by strong inflows from Bitwise, Grayscale, and Franklin. Meanwhile, Solana ETFs, despite launching earlier, remained below $700 million after 25 days of trading. Canary Capital has filed with the SEC to launch the Canary America-made crypto ETF, which will track the CoinDesk Made in America index. Well, the index includes 8 US-based or US-operated cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Chainlink, AVAX, HBAR, XLM, Solana, and XRP. The fund will invest directly in these assets, which must meet strict liquidity, custody, and trading requirements. CSC, a trust company, will manage custody, keeping most assets in cold storage. Now, proof-of-stake tokens will be staked through third-party providers to enhance the ETF's net asset value. The US SEC has halted multiple filings for 3x and 5x leverage crypto ETFs, warning issuers that the products violate rules governing value at risk. Bloomberg's Eric Baltona said regulators believe issuers attempted to exploit a loophole to bypass strict limits. Well, the SEC has instructed issuers to either adjust their strategies or withdraw applications entirely. Rule 18F4 caps risk exposure at 200% and requires continuous monitoring. Well, Direxian's leveraged filings are among those affected, along with certain high beta equity and single stock ETF proposals. Kalshi has raised $1 billion in new funding, pushing its valuation to $11 billion, according to a company press release. Well, the round was led by Paradigm, with participation from Sequoia Capital and Capital G. So Kalshi, the first US-regulated prediction market, lets users trade binary contracts on real-world events such as political outcomes and legislation. The platform surpassed rival Polymarket in Q3, recording $4.47 billion in trading volume versus Polymarket's $3.5 billion. While Kalshi previously raised $300 million in October at a $5 billion valuation as it prepares for global expansion. Kraken is acquiring Switzerland-based Backed Finance, a major issuer of tokenized stocks and ETFs. So Backed creates X-Stocks digital tokens that mirror real-world equities and ETFs. Well, Kraken already lists some of these products, but a full ownership will help integrate issuance, trading, and settlement under one system. Co-CEO Arjun Sethi said Kraken is committed to building real tokenized markets, not chasing hype. Well, Backed currently tracks more than 60 assets and is the second largest platform for tokenized public stocks, issuing over $170 million and generating $2.3 billion in trading volume. RedotPay has partnered with Ripple to launch a new service that lets users send crypto and receive Nigerian naira directly in their bank accounts within minutes. While built on Ripple payments, the feature supports major assets such as USDC, USDT, Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, XRP, Tron, and BNB, with Ripple USD to be added. So RedotPay says the goal is to make stablecoin-powered payments as easy as local currency transfers. Well, Nigeria ranks among the world's most active crypto markets despite tightening regulations and ongoing cases involving Binance. The Bank of Russia is discussing easing crypto regulations to offset the impact of Western sanctions, according to a report from Kommersant. Well, First Deputy Governor Vladimir Tristyukin said restrictions make it difficult for Russians to use traditional currencies abroad, increasing the relevance of crypto solutions. Authorities may remove the super qualified investor requirement for buying and selling crypto with actual delivery. This rule currently limits access to wealthy individuals with over 100 million rubles in assets or very high annual income. Uniswap Labs has added Revolut as a new crypto on-ramp, allowing users in 28 countries to purchase digital assets directly through the Uniswap web app and mobile wallet. With over 65 million users, Revolut becomes one of the largest fintech platforms integrated into the decentralized exchange. While customers can buy assets like Ethereum, USDC, and POL using Revolut balances, debit cards, or bank transfers. RedotPay transactions come without extra fees, and other integration removes the need for additional identity checks. The UK has formally recognized digital assets including cryptocurrencies and stablecoins as personal property under the New Property Act, which has now become law. The legislation codifies what courts had previously treated through case law, providing stronger legal clarity and protections for crypto holders. The bill follows a 2024 recommendation by the Law Commission, which said digital assets deserve their own category of property. Well, advocates say the law marks a major step in the UK's push to modernize its digital asset framework. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.com or scan the QR code.